Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Rehabilitation Therapy quest in Heartopia. In this week for Winter Frost event, Heartopia added a new quest like this. In this quest, we help Bob build his mechanical skeleton by filling collections box with requested items. And to complete it, first just go to the collections box in front of your house and tap on it like this, and then you will see a list of materials that Bob needs. The request can be different for each player like this. Just submit the requested items, and the good news, to finish the quest you only need to fill at least 30% of the requested items, and once you reach that amount, just tap submit and done. The rehabilitation therapy quest is complete like this. And okay, like this, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.